I'm here with the sad truth today. The majority of agents fail in their first 12 months of establishing their real estate career. The vast majority fail in the first 5 years. And even out of those who succeed, a lot of the business in this industry goes to the hands of the few. I have seen way too many great agents with potential fail out of the industry. And the reality is, because of this approach, many people come to me, and there are 3 things I hear over and over. Number 1, something's gotta give. Something has to change. I cannot keep going this way. Number 2, there has got to be a better way. And there is. It's not a magic pill, guys. It's old school prospecting, but it's taking the sales out of the prospecting. The routine doesn't have to be sexy. It doesn't have to be flashy. You don't have to be impressive. You have to be you. And then number 3, which is the worst of all, I can't breathe. I hear that one quite a bit. And no mistake, it's not just people who are lacking the money. It's also people who maybe they're making the money, but they're lacking the time. They're lacking the joy. So what I am here to do today is tell you that if any of those 3 sentences or all of them resonate with you, if you have found yourself saying something's got to change, there's got to be a better way, or I can't breathe, I need you to pay close attention. My students are successfully finding 1 deal for every 5 conversations that they have. So if you want to put a deal a day in your pipeline, you can. Go out and talk to 5 people. You have to know how to connect with people in everyday conversation, what to listen for and what to ask and how to help. It really is that simple. You need to track, plan, talk, and recap your conversations so that the next day you can track. It's the biggest kept secret in real estate, to be honest with you. I think a lot of the old school brokers, they say, just go talk to people. It's not that simple. You need to know who to talk to, how to talk to them, how to track it, and how to tie it all together. If anything I said resonated with you here today, and you know that something's got to change, or that this is not the way you want to live your career and the rest of your life, then we have some answers for you, okay? Go ahead and click the link below, register, pick a time that works for you for our free 55-minute masterclass. And if you want to talk more beyond that, I'm here. My name is Danielle Mapes, head pipeline coach at The Real Estate Prescription. I am trying to save as many agents as I can from making the mistakes I see so many, including myself in the past, make, okay? Your income can be predictable. Your approach can feel good. You can take the sales out of real estate sales and actually increase your sales. I hope to see you in the class. Toodles.